and welcome to the BG Giveaways Volkswagen Golf GTI at Tux at the circuit. We're on air ride with Bentley wheels, and you can win this car by following the link down below. They are a sponsor of the video, but we're looking at other Golf GTIs. Look at that, right on cue. Just noticed this Golf GTI has an R32 style rear end, and this Golf GTI also has the R32 style rear end. We've also got extended arches so that the wheels tuck underneath. These genuinely came off a Bentley Continental GT, and we're here at Tux ready to see some of the lowest cars in the UK. But the beauty of this show is we can park cars along the start grid of the circuit. It may be a potential venue for my show next year. We're scouting it out, so cars are stance parked currently, getting wiped down and washed for the show, which hasn't begun yet, so we're going to head to the entrance and capture some arrivals. So welcome the Datsun with an RB, an R8 in pink for sure. This has to be the widest Polo I've ever seen. Hey. Morning. Very naughty sounding VXR8. Wow, sounds incredible. You just turned on the cam. No, not today. It seems I've taken an appropriate car today. There's a lot of German whips rolling in, Beamers and Golfs and Polos, and an R34 in the public car park. And behind the MX-5, we've got a Toyota Mark II JZX 100 with a lot of camber. There's some revolutions in the background.
Everyone loves the white chaser.
Yes, even though that's not a chaser. Someone's revving something. It does sound like a 350Z. Look at the gang in the background. Now, who do you think the culprit was? Who was revving in the background? Who may it have been? Maybe the Crown. Though it didn't sound like a 1J. That is a 1J. It sounded more... Yeah. Very picturesque here. They're taking a bonnet off in traffic. Does it fit in the boot?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
A bonnet fits in the boot? I don't believe that. There you go. A bonnet fits in the boot of a Golf. Who knew? We got another Harley Quinn car, Volkswagen Lupo, following the Golf without a bonnet. We've got a wide Citroen DS3. Who knew? Civic's about to do a pull. Oh. Traffic is backed up onto the road. Luckily, it's not a road commonly used by vehicles. We've got a Chrysler 300C with a cobweb in the background. There's a few noisy motor vehicles entering the meet today. That's beautifully demonstrated. Is this hydraulic suspension I can see on the Polo? It's definitely not air. He's just doing a little dance in traffic. Why not? He has the ability to. No one else does. Well, those Bel Airs might be able to. Yeah, more bouncing cars! Is the hydraulic suspension making a comeback on the scene? I'd like to think he's dancing in time with the music he's playing in the interior of the car. He's almost twerking, you could call it. Now here comes the Bel Air and the Nomad. I don't think they have hydraulic suspension. We can still appreciate. It's very cool seeing the line of traffic entering, all the different colours. Someone's leaking. The Micra's got side pipes. Looking cool. Ah, right in the nick of time. You'll be required today, sir. So we've got a purple E60 BMW 5 Series joining the colour combination, and some... Oh, okay. It's a bit lower on the back now. So this is a Revolution section now. The Crown's revving. Another Crown for the day. We've got the rev off over here. Looks like we're going to start a dance off over there. People have got out their vehicles. That's how they entertain themselves in traffic. Oh, a road sign for the garage. Wonky road. Oh, now the Evo's joining in. And the M1's something high. That is an intercooler on the front of the Civic. Wow, it's got a flame kit. I love it. Luckily we're in the shade so we can actually see the flames today. Boeing 100s! Yeah, sorry, I spoke over that. It sounded good. Oh, there's a van trying to... Did he just try to ram those people? Slow down, matey. He literally swerved into the people that were stood on the side. main road, traffic is backed on to this, so it's going to keep going, and we're going to keep going to see what there is. This looks like an echo chamber that we shall join and see who revs. Oh good, there's a 350Z already inside. We know what's going to happen. Hello, 595. We're waiting for the 350 to have a go, because he will. Oh, there it is. It seems cars are backing onto the dual carriageway. There's a Volkswagen badge on the bike on top of the Beetle. Next around, a slammed BMW Z3. A slammed Saab on Mercedes wheels. Being followed by a Mercedes, not with Saab wheels unfortunately, but still looks the part. It will get to a point where we're probably not allowed to be jaywalking effectively on a main road. You've got John Blair Special on an E30. Hello! But we've come back to the tunnel for obvious reasons. See, car guys can't... What's he doing? That's the wrong side of the road. Well, latest potatoes. Doing the old switcheroo. That was completely random and I don't understand why they just swapped. Does it play? I can't see it. That was all very annoying. It appears we are indeed white-wheeling the world. Due to all the traffic coming from this direction, we now have cars coming from this direction because sat-navs are changing their minds. He's vibing to music with Haribo, loving life. Loving life! Oh, there's a little door. Do you think anyone's home? Give it a knock. Nah, must be out. It's a very different atmosphere now. Well, not all of the cars, but most of the cars, well, maybe not most of the cars, some of the cars are now in, so it's filled out as the hard standing. We're somewhere over, I can't find the car at all. But it's relatively quiet. I'm probably the loudest person here, because everyone's slowly, quietly, and meticulously polishing, cleaning, and preparing their cars for the day of show. Tux events are hosted by the Petrol Hedonism Club. They're who also hosted Adam C Fest, and the next Petrol Hedonism meet is Petrol Hedonism Live at Nebworth House. And using my code of AdamC, you can get 15% off your tickets. It's a must to go to, and coming up very, very fast. Oh, now here's something special. Subaru P1. Look at those wide arches. It's beautiful, and it's followed by Dodge Viper SRT 10. I think that's a supercharged one as well. Yeah, that is supercharged for sure. Wow. There you go, they've just won. But welcome back to the main grid of the show. We found another Harlequin car, but this time it's on the seats. Harlequin Cobras in the Audi S3. There's some V8 Revolutions in the background. We're having a look around at the slammed cars on the circuit. This Passat is phenomenal. Got the Audi V6, more interior goodness here. Take a look at those Recaros. That is spotless inside. Round the back you can see another canister for the day. The amount of canisters at this show will be extreme. Next up, an E46 Touring. It is supercharged. Again, custom interior. You've got a bit of red on the dashboard that reflects rather badly when it's sunny, but it's part of the theme. The red details, the red cage with no back seats in the wagon. And of course, somewhere there will be a canister involved. And that's just by the twin-turbo Huracan, who is compensating for something by melting his rear brake light. But tell you what, this colour, I think it's the first that's been done. Printed chrome, so you've got chrome purple, faded down to black. It's a bit of a colour flip theme. It's incredible to look at as you walk around the car. So it's all show and all go with those turbos. We've got another Touring to look at. This one an E30 with some pixelated magazines in the back. There's even cars parked in front of the pits, the slammed E-Class MX-5 with unusual headlight solutions. And this 350Z's pretending to be a Skyline. But we're back at the P1 Impreza. It's got 22B arches onto it. It's a full build, this car. About 420 brake, but what I'm more interested in seeing is the Viper. Apparently, this is an ACR Roadster, one of only about 20 to 25 ever made, the only one in the country with 1100 horsepower and is supercharged. Oh, there we go. You can hear the squeak of the supercharger. So welcome to the Americana section, the best section. We started something now, and here is not That's the engine of the car we were looking at. This is on a retro build of the Jensen Interceptor. They call it the Viper sector because it is powered by the Dodge Viper's 8-litre V10. But out of the whole show, the best metaphor for what we're looking at is this imprint on the grass of an exhaust. Don't know what was parked here before, but you can maybe work it out. Oh, okay. It's always interesting to see what's in the public car park at events like this. We have a McLaren 720S and a pair of EP3s. Well, you're wrong. But by the sounds of it, cars appear to be leaving. There goes the trio of MX-5s, still revving and still being supercharged. So let's go back inside to the Golf and wrap things up. It's like stepping into a mansion, seeing the interior of this Toyota Crown with its curtains. We've got some crystal glass on display in the back, and up front is where the business happens. I mean, you've got the cigar, more whiskey glasses, and some money and cocaine. So let's get back into the Golf, take it away, go home and leave all the rest of the Tux cars and Chiro level of the show. So I must remember to put the air up. So you double tap the first bit and it goes up to a preset level for driving. Look at that. Today's been like the first day of summer and we're in September, so aircon is going on. It's just remembered, oh yes, I need to be sunny now. So I hope you enjoyed that video. All details about this car in the video's description for you to click on the link and win. Looking forward to showing who has won this car with BG Giveaways, but for now, thanks for watching.